Great.
Hello everyone. Our topic for this project is on geometry. Geometry is all about shapes and the size of objects and things. There are many different topics and areas covered under geometry, therefore making it a key topic of learning mathematics and developing an understanding of shapes and size. Today we'll be looking at line symmetry. So the learning object of introducing to students at an early stage the line of symmetry is to understand that the line is where it divides a figure into two equal parts, each of which is the mirror image of the other. So according to Oswald's, by the end of level 3, students should be able to identify symmetry in natural and constructed environments. Therefore, work on line symmetry results on it making it easier for students in the future to identify shapes and objects when trying to measure or seeing objects in halves, quarters, or just evenly. So line symmetry is first introduced to students. When it is first introduced to students, it is ideal to use objects which is familiar to them, such as squares and circles. So a cutout of a square paper or circle paper and giving the students an opportunity to fold the sheet and draw the line of symmetry. So an activity we will be looking at today is aimed towards 3 or 4 year level students. So this activity consists of paper cutout of different shapes, and students have to fold the sheets in half individually and then draw the line of symmetry. However, before starting this activity, I would reiterate the fact to the students that both sides must be an mirror image of each other. So the sheets I have today are square, a triangle, pentagon, a hexagon, and also just a few other images such as a human face, like a football, and a butterfly, just to make the lesson fun and enjoyable. And I would also have, just to test the students, an L-shaped letter, because just to see if they understand that both sides must be mirror image of each other for a line of symmetry. So for students who are struggling to understand, I would have a simple cutout sheet with just dotted lines, like on the square, for the students to fold in half, and just draw the line so that they can see where the line of symmetry is. So now I would get Tom to demonstrate an activity. So Tom, does a triangle have same sides, a mirror image?
It does.
So can you fold and draw a line?
I can.
Okay.
I do.
Did you roll?
That's right.
Okay, so Tom has just drawn the line of symmetry of the triangle. Thank you, Tom. So this activity is ideal as it gives a basic introduction to young students and gives them a clear and visual image of how the concept of line symmetry works. Therefore, students should be familiar with shapes such as squares and circles and drawing a line and understanding the meaning of half and quarters. So this activity is just building on their fundamental base knowledge of shapes necessary to work from and build on in order to achieve a proper understanding. So some common misconceptions that students have shown is not knowing where to draw the line. Therefore, introducing a simple cutout sheet with the dotted lines on the square for the students so that they could just fold in half and then draw the line. And also another misconception would occur when students deal with shapes that are not equal all over. For example, the L-shaped, as it does not have the same sides and angles at each point. So students may get confused at where to fold and draw the line of symmetry. Therefore, further explanation and further work and understanding is needed. Thank you.